Welcome back to the Lost Nature Vault. Today we are opening a door that the modern industrial complex has kept locked for over a century. Before you spend another single dollar on expensive synthetic multivitamins or those plastic bags of organic spinach at the grocery store, you need to stop and look at what you've been treading on in your own backyard. What if I told you that a 3,000-year-old secret is buried in your lawn plant that contains 10 times the nutrition of anything you can buy in a store? We are living in a biological deception where we are taught to value a plant based on its price tag rather than its potency. In this deep dive, I am revealing the forbidden superfood, a plant so powerful that the multi-billion-dollar supplement industry had to rename it a weed just to keep you dependent on their lab-made pills. Modern science is finally catching up to what the Vault has known for millennia. Your health is not in a pharmacy. It is in the dirt. We have been lied to about spinach. Since the days of black and white cartoons, we were told it was the ultimate source of iron and strength. But the Vault looks at the raw chemical data. While spinach is good, it is packed with oxalates that can block mineral absorption and lead to kidney stones if consumed in excess. Now, enter the challenger that modern agriculture wants you to kill with toxic pesticides. It is called lamb's quarter, or as we call it in the Vault, wild spinach. This plant is a biological powerhouse that grows for free, requires zero fertilizer, and thrives in the harshest conditions. It contains more protein, more vitamin A, more vitamin C, and more calcium than almost any cultivated green on the planet. If the masses knew this, the supplement industry would collapse overnight because you cannot patent a weed. The most valuable food is the one they tell you to destroy. Every year, millions of people swallow synthetic multivitamins, hoping for a boost in energy. But the human body was never designed to process isolated chemicals made in a factory. Our ancestors got their vitality from plants with deep taproots that reach down into the subsoil, pulling up rare minerals that surface-level vegetables can never reach. Take stinging nettle, for example. Most people fear the sting, but that sting is a protective guard for a plant that is richer in iron than a piece of steak. When you drink a tea made from these weeds, you are not just hydrating. You are performing a cellular upgrade. The suspense is simple. Would you rather have a pill made from coal, tar derivatives, or a leaf that has survived for thousands of years in the wild? There is a mystery here that no one talks about. These superweeds do not grow in your garden by accident. The Nature Lost Vault reveals that plants are the Earth's way of communicating. If you see specific weeds growing, they are telling you what your soil and your body is missing. If you have a deficiency, nature provides the exact plant to fix it right outside your door. Yet we have lost the ability to read the language of the leaves. We see a mess where our ancestors saw a menu. By spraying chemicals, we are silencing the Earth's natural pharmacy. The real twist is that the more you try to kill them, the more they fight to grow back because they are programmed to save the ecosystem, including you. Now, the fear factor. How do I know which one to eat? This fear is what keeps you buying vitamins. But the Vault has a key. I am showing you the rule of 3 for identifying the kings of wild nutrition. Look for the white, powdery underside of the leaf. Look for the diamond shape, and look for the resilience. These plants do not wilt like store-bought greens. They are built for survival, and when you consume them, that survival energy becomes yours. This is the ancient secret of the warrior's diet. They did not eat weak, hybridized food. They ate the strongest plants on Earth. The Lost Nature Vault is not just a channel. It is a revolution against the grocery store aisles that are getting narrower, while the Vault of Nature gets wider. The modern world wants you weak, tired, and dependent on their monthly vitamin subscriptions. But the Vault offers you freedom for free if you are ready to stop being a victim of marketing and start being a master of your own biology. You need to understand the mineral gap. A tomato today has 50% less nutrition than a tomato in 1950. But a wild dandelion or amaranth has the same genetic density it had 5,000 years ago. It is an uncorrupted source of life force. I challenge you today to walk outside and find just one of these plants. Stop seeing it as an enemy and start seeing it as a gift. If you want my wild vitamin guide that compares these plants to store-bought supplements, comment the word vitamin below. We are reclaiming our health, one leaf at a time. The pharmacy is closed, but the Vault is now open. Subscribe, protect this ancient wisdom, and remember, The most powerful medicine is always free if you have the eyes to see it. Stay wild, stay healthy, and stay tuned for the next revelation from the vault.